Construction progress monitoring. The most expensive problems on a construction project are often the ones you don't see coming. Projects move quickly. Conditions change daily. Materials arrive, work is completed, and the next phase begins. Without an accurate, objective record of progress, project managers and other stakeholders are often forced to make important decisions based on incomplete or outdated information. Our construction progress monitoring system creates an independent, continuously updated digital record of your project from start to finish. We visit your site as often as needed, typically once or twice each week, and follow repeatable data capture plans designed specifically for your project. Every flight, every image, and every field observation is captured from the same perspective, creating a consistent historical record that documents both project progress and periods of inactivity. After each site visit, the imagery, observations, and other information collected are processed into a comprehensive digital project record. Deliverables include a high-resolution orthomosaic, a detailed 3D model, interactive panoramic imagery, and comprehensive field observations with documented notes. Together, these deliverables create a time-based record that allows you to review the project exactly as it existed at any point during the construction process. Instead of relying on scattered photographs or disjointed progress reports, you have a complete, measurable record of the entire project. You can inspect the current status of the project, compare progress between different dates, measure distances, areas, and volumes, and verify actual field conditions without traveling to the site. For organizations managing multiple construction projects, every site can be organized within a single system, allowing owners, project managers, engineers, contractors, and other stakeholders to review current conditions and historical progress from anywhere in the world. The system also links individual photographs directly to their locations on the site, making it easy to examine areas requiring additional attention, documentation, or follow-up. Construction progress monitoring provides more than pictures. It creates accountability. Construction schedules, subcontractor reports, change orders, and payment requests can all be compared against independently collected project documentation. Owners and project managers gain an objective record of completed work, work in progress, and areas requiring additional attention before they become costly problems. Perhaps most importantly, every site visit preserves a permanent record of existing conditions before they change. Whether documenting utility installations, structural components, grading, drainage, roofing systems, or any other phase of construction, those records become invaluable when questions arise months or even years later. If a warranty issue, insurance claim, change order, construction dispute, or failure investigation occurs, the historical record provides an objective baseline showing exactly what existed, when it existed, and how the project had progressed at that specific point in time. Construction progress monitoring is more than documented imagery and project status reports. It is a continuously updated digital record of your project that improves communication, supports better decisions, reduces uncertainty, and protects your investment from groundbreaking through final completion. Most importantly, it preserves the historical truth of your project, an accurate, objective record of what was built, when it was built, and the conditions that existed every step of the way. You have the challenges, we have the solutions. Let us show you.